Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change font style in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document or create your document. Now you can see here are my document. I opened this one. Now I change font style in this document. At first I have to select this text tool. Then write your text or select your text. Now you can see I select my text to press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard. Now go to type option and you can see here are a font menu. Now you can see here are many font style. You can choose anything in there. Now I choose impact. Now select this selection tool and click outside of this text. Now you can see I change font style in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.